Taurus. I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb when it goes out. You want to open the hood. You'll see these little clips here. One here. And the other one is in here. They're retainers. They hold the headlight in. Looks like we also have an 8mm bolt. So we're going to take them out. Use a tool, plier. And you want to pull this out. This one we can get. There's one. The other one I'm going to use a plier for. Or a screwdriver. This headlight's already previously damaged. I'm going to take this 8mm out. Now we're going to wiggle it out. And the bulb's in the back here, under this. And we're going to spin this counterclockwise. Take that cover off. And there's the bulb. There's a little clip here. And use a little screwdriver or something. Lift that up and then pull it out. That's to disconnect it, or you can spin it out. There's a little ring inside, and that's what I'm going to try to do. Counterclockwise again. You have to have small fingers. There it is. This light probably blew out because it was cracked and the water got into it. So now we're going to unclip it and put the new one on. Alright, just face it on. Now we got the new bulb. We're going to